In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini AI in Google Workspace. Now, the easiest and best way to do this and to actually connect the two between them, what you want to do is you want to go to Gemini, so it's going to be gemini.google.com. And then over here, you first want to sign into your account. And then once you do that, top left, you want to expand this menu. And then over here, you can see it says settings and help. Click on this and then click on apps over here. And then you'll see at the very top, it says productivity. And then over here, it says Google Workspace. So it says summarize, find, and get quick answers from your own content to fuel your personal journeys. So to actually connect this and then start basically using your Google Workspace data inside your Gemini, you're going to want to click over here to kind of turn this on. And then it's going to say connect Google Workspace. You're going to have to select your Gmail over here, so your mail, your account, and then click on connect over here. And then just like this, as you can see, this has now been connected. And if I now go to any of the chats over here, I can now work with this data, so it can pull data from all these listed apps over here, such as Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Tasks, etc. Now, that's pretty much it. That's how to use this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.